Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. Today I'm sharing some simple and effective coupon mailers that should be super helpful if you're planning any promotions in the coming months. I've got 5 examples to show you, so let's take a closer look. All of the samples I'm sharing today feature modifications of a classic trifold format, and this first example from Chewy is just a classic trifold with a tipped-on coupon that peels off easily. The imagery is adorable. I love the crossover on the interior panels, and the focus is on the dogs and the coupon, of course. Next is a promotion that was sent out as a reward for hospital staff, and it features a 3-up coupon format on the fold-in panel of the trifold. The 3 coupons are perfed and tear out easily to save. Once removed, the remaining panels of the brochure stay intact and have lots of area for content. Now let's look at 2 samples from LOFT. This coupon format is one they use a lot. I have several samples of this in my collection. They use it 2 ways. Here's the super simple version, which features a tall, narrow panel that is perfed for removal, and the coupon works like a sidebar to call your attention to the sale. They also make a version in the same size and proportion that has a double thick coupon, and the panel is perfed with a 2-up coupon design for removal. Okay, same idea as the first LOFT sample, but in a different proportion. I like how Land's End used a horizontal proportion and shifted the short panel to the right. I also like how the coupon has an image on the back. The 2 large images left and right really frame the large marketing message in the center panel. Last up is this FOW design from Bahama. I shared several other FOW ideas in episode 631 if you're interested, but this one features a panel shaped like an envelope flap, plus 2 other panels that drop down. I like the vertical orientation on this one. This promotion has a PVC card tucked in, but this could totally have a tipped-on card like the Chewy sample to simplify the production. One thing all of these trifold coupon mailers have in common is simplicity of graphics and messaging. If you noticed, all of these were designed to sell. They didn't try to multitask, and in staying focused on the coupon promotion, the recipient will stay focused as well. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit Foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.